So this is what you call valley foam. It's for when the metal comes down at an angle and hits your valley, which runs through. So you can't get an exact profile foam to fit that. This comes in a roll of 20 foot, I believe, and it expands as wide as 2.5 inches I've seen. But I've never had to use that much. Now in this case, we've got some pretty high areas. We need to keep the wind from blowing up into there. So we're going to open up this roll, find the end of it. This would be stuff you get from your metal building supply. Don't want to cut it. All right. Lift the metal up. This underneath. Normally you would peel the go underneath there, push it back up. It's a good example of how flimsy that is. Just put a little bit of weight on it and it wrinkled. Okay, so that's up. That will expand in the areas that are larger. And then we're going to put the screws back in, point down. So now I got to go underneath there and push that up. So the screws right here. Normally, I would recommend that you put in new, but we're not in this case. They're all very new. Although I didn't do this roof. Somebody did, and they're fairly new. Interesting thing is, the customer thought it was green, but you can't even see this roof. Pan around, you can let them see. So it's not something you're going to be able to see from below down there. Maybe if you were up there, you can see this roof. But they don't have any way up there right now. There's been some discussion about making a path up there. Alright, so we'll go underneath and take a peek and pop that out at the same time.